Our dear special guest of honor, let me thank you for standing firm. Yes, you stood firm that presidency should go to the south. Yes, you paid for it, but history will be with you on your side. That when the time came for people to stand up, for Nigeria to be united, for Nigeria to be one, for Nigeria to move as a country, you came out and said, look, yes, I'm from this zone. Yes, for equity and fairness and justice. It will be for the unity of this country if the presidency goes to the south. My brother, we want to thank you. We want to appreciate you. We will be wherever you are. We will give you any support that you require from Rivers State. You are our brother. Yes, because of your fight, people teamed up and fought you. Yes, you lost your Senate. You made it clearly. Yes, even though it's going to cost you, that's the leadership. God will bless you. God will continue to guide you. God will continue to protect you. You may think you have lost, you didn't lose. You are the winner because you have brought equity, fairness, and justice to the country. And that is what. It is not in every revolution that one who participates in that revolution that will benefit from it. You can work for it, other people benefit from it. And that is what you have done. Continue to be whom you are, continue to be firm, continue to be with God. Do not lose hope, because I know God has a place for you in future. I want to thank you. Each time we invite you, you have always come to identify with us. And I can tell you, at any time, call on people of Rivers State, they will be with you. So my dear Gokana people,
thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.